Are you getting this error when you connect an external device to your computer? Fortunately, it is very easy to fix the error code 22 on Windows. So let's look at what you can do to fix it. To start, enable the device in Device Manager. To do that, open the Device Manager, right-click on the problematic device, choose Properties, and click the Enable Device option. Next, the error message can also stem from physical damage to your device. To confirm this, look for cracks, any dents, or other signs of damage on the device. Now, if you're using a connector, make sure it is not bent out of shape. You can also update your device driver by opening Settings, click Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. You might also want to run the Hardware and Device Troubleshooter. Just search for Run, type in the following command, press Enter, then check this option, click Next, and once the wizard completes, the troubleshooter will let you know of any issues it found and how to fix them. And those are the ways on how you can fix this code 22 error on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.